Here's another quick unboxing and first impression of a Huepar laser level. So, 3 boxes. Let's start with the smallest one. Let's see what's in this one. It's a screwdriver, user's manual. What's inside? Oh yeah, this is it's a magnetic yeah, mini level. So let's turn it on. If it goes on, it doesn't turn on. Oh, and now we can use that screwdriver. Okay, triple A's. Let me quickly get some. 2 triple A's. Okay, let's put this in. Close it up. Let's try to put it on. Here we go. Of course, saying error. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I can't show you because it doesn't work in this way, but I'll do a review in the future. So this box is pretty much level. Let's push it somewhere. Well, now it's level. Let's put it on a pole. Okay. I'll check it out in a review on the next one.